What do you think this time is? This is the total time that the machine was stopped in a day at an airbag factory. Over half of the time, 51 minutes, is of adjustment time. From this adjustment time, various problems have arisen. From the management, questions like, why is the productivity of the factory not increasing? Why is there a large amount of waste due to poor sewing? Why does overtime increase labor costs and employee shortages occur? Comes out. From the technicians, we hear voices like, I struggle with analog adjustments in 0.01 increments every day. The only people who can make good adjustments are the experts. There is no reproducibility, and it is a process of trial and error. We are struggling to pass on our technical know-how. Many of these are caused by sewing machine problems. The BAS365K series was born to solve these problems. The BAS365K series includes the innovative new technology, DigiFlex Tune, sewing defect detection technology and maintenance support applications. DigiFlex Tune has improved productivity by reducing adjustment time, ensured reproducibility by achieving high accuracy in a short time, provided expandability by maintaining the same high accuracy in increased production. By our technology, adjustment time can be reduced significantly. Reducing downtime from adjustments will lead to higher productivity. This is a video about checking the hook timing and clearances for conventional sewing machine and the BAS365K series. In conventional models, it was impossible to visually check the exact timing or clearances without removing the needle plate with a tool, which took a lot of time. However, with the digitization of the BAS365K series, it is now possible to check the status of the sewing machine in just a few seconds. By Brothers Digital Adjustments, adjustments for needle bar height, needle guard gap, needle and hook clearance, hook timing, can be done easily by watching the values shown in the panel. In addition, with the machine condition monitoring function, it is possible to set and check the target value and standard value of sewing machine adjustment numerically on the panel, and it is possible to monitor the condition of the machine in the current setting. This machine condition monitoring function alerts you when the current adjustment value deviates from the target value and ensures that the adjustment is in the right condition. For example, if the threads become tangled in the hook and the hook timing slips, a warning will be issued before sewing, which will lead to a reduction of downtime. Next, let's also introduce about reproducibility, which achieves high accuracy in a short time. The adjustment of the sewing machine, which used to be done by feeling, will be changed to a method of adjusting while looking at the target value set on the panel and the current value. In the conventional sewing machine hook timing adjustment, it was necessary to visually check the reference position, not limited to digital or analog. As a result, reproductivity was low, and there was variability among technicians. Not only digitalizing hook timing, but also needle bar height, needle guard gap, needle and hook clearance. Adjustment in the increments of 0.01 is now possible, eliminating the difference between people and environment. In addition, expandability of highly accurate settings is also a point. Digitalization makes it possible to apply the same adjustments to multiple sewing machines, enabling consistent adjustments to be made anywhere around the globe. By Digiflex Tune, adjustments can now be done without worrying about who it is done or which machine has it done accurately. Also, adjustments values based on the sewing material can be recorded and reproduced easily to factories around the globe, and supporting stable production. Next, introducing the sewing defect detector technology. By monitoring upper thread tension during sewing, skip stitch and upper thread breakage can be detected and prevents flow of defective products to the next process. Finally, introducing the maintenance support application, which guides you to find causes and solutions for sewing defects more effectively. Also, you can leave records of part change and maintenance for each machine, which will enable you to analyze replacement of spare parts and trend of troubles. From these three technologies, as adjustment time for BAS365K series has been reduced significantly. Economically and technologically, BAS365K series is the best solution.